In today's video, I will walk you through how to draw on Zoom Meeting. To begin, make sure you're already in a Zoom meeting. Hosting the meeting or having host permissions is important because those permissions allow you to launch the shared drawing space. If you're participating in the meeting without host controls, the host can follow the same steps instead. For the smoothest experience, make sure your Zoom app is up to date and that your meeting controls are visible at the bottom of the screen. If the meeting toolbar is hidden, simply move your mouse or tap the screen to make it appear again. Once your meeting controls are visible, look for the More option in the meeting toolbar. On many devices, this appears as three dots. Click or tap More, then choose Whiteboard from the menu. After selecting Whiteboard, you'll see options related to collaborative boards. From there, choose New Whiteboard. Zoom will create a new blank canvas that everyone in the meeting can use together. When the whiteboard is created, participants will receive an invitation inside the meeting window to join it. Once they accept the invitation, everyone will be viewing the same whiteboard. There's no need to use extra links or switch to another app because the whiteboard opens directly inside the Zoom meeting. If someone doesn't join the whiteboard right away, give them a moment. They may be using a different device or may still need to accept the invitation that appears during the meeting. Once everyone has joined, you can begin drawing on the shared whiteboard. As you draw, everyone in the meeting will be able to see your changes in real time. You'll have access to several drawing tools. You can use the pen or highlighter for freehand drawing, select shapes to create simple diagrams, or use the text tool to add labels and keep the whiteboard organized. If needed, you can change colors to separate different parts of the drawing or give each participant a different color, so everyone's contributions are easier to recognize. If you make a mistake, use the eraser or the undo button to remove or reverse your last action. You can also use the zoom controls to focus on smaller details or adjust your view while working on the whiteboard. As you're drawing, talk through what you're adding so everyone stays on the same page. This also helps prevent participants from drawing over each other's work at the same time. If you're using a computer, you can draw with your mouse or trackpad. If you're using a tablet or phone, you can use your finger or a stylus to draw directly on the whiteboard. Keep your drawing simple, write in large letters when adding text, and pause occasionally so everyone has time to follow along and respond before continuing. That's all you need to do. Open the More menu, choose Whiteboard, create a new whiteboard. Let everyone join and start drawing together during your Zoom meeting. Once everyone is connected to the same board, you can collaborate live and see each person's updates as they happen. Thank you for watching.